In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Jira account and create your first project. Let's get started by opening up your web browser, any one you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or whichever is your go-to. Now, in the search bar, type in Jira and hit enter. You're looking for the first result that appears, which should be from Atlassian.com. That's the official site where you can get started with Jira, so go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the site, you'll see you have a couple of options to sign up. You can either use your company email if you want everything to sync up with your organizational tools, or you can use your Google account, which might be convenient if you want a quick setup or prefer to keep things together with your other Google services. Choose whichever option suits you best and follow the prompts to sign up. After you've signed up and your account is all set, you will be asked to jump right in and create your first project. This is pretty exciting because it means you're on your way to organizing tasks, managing workloads, and getting a lot done. You'll start by selecting a project template. These templates are super helpful since they're designed for different types of projects, whether you're managing software development, a marketing campaign, or any other process. Don't worry too much if you're unsure about which one to pick right away. You can always adjust things later as you get a better feel for what you need. Once you've chosen a template, you'll need to enter some details about your project. Assign it a clear and descriptive title, and then add a brief description. These details will help you and your team understand what the project is all about at a glance and access the information you need quickly. After you've filled in all the details and you're happy with your setup, simply create the project. And just like that, you're all done. Your first project is live and ready for you to start adding tasks, setting deadlines, or whatever else your project requires. There you go. That's all there is to setting up a Jira account and getting your initial project off the ground. With this foundation, you can begin exploring all the great features Jira offers for project management. As you get more comfortable, you'll find one of Jira's strongest points is its ability to grow with your needs, providing more tools and customization as you require. Thanks for joining me today, and now that you're all set up, enjoy your Jira journey.